in your 2018 Jeep Renegade, your OBD scanner through code P0325, this likely indicates a knock sensor problem. This is what a knock sensor looked like. And it's down on the cylinder bank on the side of the engine, and there's multiple of them. Common reason for getting that code is that the wiring harness might be defective going to the knock sensor, or that the knock sensor itself is faulty, in which case you're going to need to replace it. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description of this video for buying new knock sensors. But before you do that, use a multimeter to check to see that it's getting power, that it is not a wiring issue. You can also visually inspect the wire going to the knock sensor to see whether or not there is fraying or if it is corroded at the connectors. The reason why you need a knock sensor is because it detects if the detonation of the cylinders inside of the engine are happening properly. So this isn't a minor thing. You can't overlook it. If there's a problem with it, you have to fix it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And again, I'm going to put an affiliate link to buy the Renegade knock sensor in the description and comments.